Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. Then this page you will enter to the window of apps. Then we click on LinkedIn app and you will enter here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.